In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the first column in Monday.com. If you've ever tried clicking directly on the header of the first column to rename it, you might have noticed there's no direct way to make that change. It can seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, so you can customize your board just the way you want it. Let's get started with this task. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate over to the three dots icon, which you'll find on the top right corner of your board. This icon is your gateway to a variety of board settings, framed as a neat little menu. When you click on it, it opens up the board's settings options. Once you've clicked there, you'll see a list of different settings available for customization. Among those, look for the option that says Settings and click on it. Now that you've opened the Settings menu, the next step is to find and select Change Item Terminology. This specific setting is crucial for altering the header name of that all-important first column. When you click on Change Item Terminology, you'll be presented with a few options. Here you have the flexibility to either select a new header name from a range of preset options or go ahead and craft your own. If you decide to go with a custom title, simply click on Custom. A text box will appear, allowing you to type in whichever column head name you feel best fits your specific needs. After you've settled on a name, double-check to make sure it captures exactly what you need, because this title sets the context for what each entry in that column will represent. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on the Change button to save your new column title. And just like that, you've customized the first column on your board. It's a small change that can enhance your workflow significantly by ensuring that your column names align perfectly with the data or tasks they represent. These few steps should have made it straightforward for you to adjust the first column to fit your unique project needs. Remember, small tweaks like these, though simple, can greatly optimize your productivity and help your team collaborate more effectively. And there you have it, folks. With just a few clicks, you've retitled the first column and hopefully gained a little more proficiency in navigating Monday.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your experience with Monday.com even smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tips and guides to get the most out of your tools.